Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are fine. This is mathematics. With me is a question from 2023 grade 12 paper 1, and this was question number 4. The point A with coordinates negative 5,3 and the point B have a midpoint 4, negative 2. The question is, find the coordinates of B. The question is coming from a topic called coordinate geometry. Alright? So now we are given point A. We are not given point B. But we have also been given the midpoint. What should you do in order to find the coordinates of B? Well, let's put it this way. You have to understand the meaning of midpoint. Let's say we have this line here, okay? This straight line has got coordinates or points. We have point A, let's say this is negative 5,3, okay? Let's say this is the point. We also have another point, let's say here, which is point B. This point B, we don't know the coordinates, so we just say x, y. Okay? This line has a midpoint, which is 4, negative 2. So when they say midpoint, they are saying now, if this line is 10 units, therefore the midpoint will be exactly halfway between the 2 points, which will be here. So this is the midpoint, which we have been given to say it is 4, negative 2. I see. So now they want us to find what coordinates will be here. So when they say midpoint, it means exactly halfway between the 2 points. I hope you're getting sense. How do we get the coordinates of B, given midpoint and 1 point? Since they've mentioned the word midpoint, therefore we're going to write the formula for midpoint. But even if you forget the formula for midpoint, you can still apply without the formula. Because when you're getting the midpoint, which is half, you have to add this x here, plus this x here, divide by 2, because it is half. You're getting that? So with the formula in mind, we are going to say, okay, midpoint, MP, is equal to, so the formula is always x1 plus x2 divided by 2, meaning x1, x2 divided by 2, comma, you do the same to y, which is y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the formula for the midpoint. Then we'll be able to substitute in there and find the answers. So these 2 points here, we are going to name them. This one, x1. This one, y1. On the other side, x2, y2. Remember, this is midpoint, which you have been given. Okay? So we are now going to substitute in here. What is our x1? x1 negative 5. Plus, what is our x2? x2 here is x, the one we want to find there. X divided by 2, comma. We come to y. What is our y1? y1 is 3. So 3 plus, what is our y2? y2 is y. So y here, divided by 2. This is the midpoint now. Midpoint, which we have been given 4, negative 2. So you equate to midpoint 4, negative 2. We do it that way. What next? You are going to make equations, 2 of them. One for x, the other one will be for y. How are you going to do that? This one for x, you equate it to the x value. Y, you equate it to the y value. This is x, this is y. So I'm going to get this one, which is negative 5 plus x over 2 equate to x value 4. Then the other one will be 3 plus y over 2 equates to y value, -2. Then I'm going to solve these two equations and find the value of x and y, which will be the coordinates of B. So I'll get the x1, -5 plus x divided by 2 equals to 4. This is a fraction, also make the other side a fraction, then cross multiply, because there is equal sign here, so you cross multiply. So it will be -5 plus x times 1, which will be -5 plus x, is equal to 2 times 4, it will be 8. I see that? Then my x here will be equal to 8. This -5 will be plus 5. I hope you are seeing that. Then we're going to say x is equal to 13. When I add 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're getting 13. X is equal to 13. I hope we are together. 8 here. This -5, when it crosses the equal sign, becomes +5. Then you add. You do the same to y. You get the y here, which is 3 plus y over 2 is equal to -2. Over 1 here, cross multiply. 3 plus y times 1 is 3 plus y equals 2 times -2 is -4. Then y will be equal to -4 here. This is +3. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes -3. So my y will now be -7. So now I have x and y. I will just be able to say, therefore, the value of b, or the coordinate b, will be 13, -7. This is the final answer. I hope this is clear, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching.